Hey guys, so I just got a package in the mail. This is my incubator. Just got in the mail. I'm just opening it right here, and I wanted to show you guys what you get in the package, but we will see. So please be careful when you're opening the package. I'm just using a pocket knife, but be very safe. So I'm taking it out, and then I actually think it's upside down. And as you see, I didn't flip the box or anything, so it came upside down. So be careful when you open the box. If you buy this one, if it shows the styrofoam, that means it's upside down. So this is everything inside, and you get a little spray bottle and a cord and another bottle. I think the tip is somewhere in here. So here's the tray, and this is the top piece. And these are the rollers, so you get 5 rollers. I'm gonna just look at the manual real quick because I don't know how to put it together. And there's actually a picture on the first page, so I'm gonna just try to put it together like that. So it says I have to put this tray part in. And then I don't know if you can see, but there's little grippy parts, this yellow spirally stick, you see, where you can put in the little ridges of your poles, the rollers. So I'm just gonna set them in here